guys, today's video is going to be a haul. I'm going to show you guys some things that I purchased. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Pregnancy symptoms just early. My girls are running around screaming. We're going to go outside after I film this video, so I'm trying to film this quick. Haul video. I'm going to show you guys some items that I purchased off Poshmark with the intent to turn around and resell them. In my previous video, I told you guys how I had an issue with some things. I have an issue with one thing out of all these things. I don't know how many items I have right here. I'm going to be doing like a lot of these videos because I've ordered so much stuff. First, let's start off with the item that has a flaw. So it is a pink Victoria's Secret quarter zip. It's a size medium, really pretty like seafoam color. I'm going to have to bleach this because it already has, I don't know if you can tell, but it already has bleach stains down here at the bottom. So yeah. But I think this will look cool. Bleach. The seller didn't disclose that it had stains on it, so that was kind of shitty. But yeah, it's cute. It'll look cute bleach, so I can, I can at least save it. I've got a whole pile of things to bleach. I'm gonna do it today because it's like 60 degrees out. Next is another pink Victoria's Secret sweatshirt. This is a size small. I'm pretty sure I've sold this exact sweatshirt before. Just really cute. It's purple, but it's got like pink. Whoa, so bright. It's got pink threads in it, so it's like purple and pink. Really pretty. And like the letters, I don't know if you can tell, but it's velvet. It's a velvety material. These are in bundles, by the way. I don't remember how many things were in bundles. I think it was like 4 to 7 things per bundle. Anyway, this is extra small. This is pink Victoria's Secret. It just says pink 86, love pink on the front. Someone's texting me. Looks like this. It's a very, very lightweight sweatshirt. It's also kind of sheer too. Like, hello, can you see me? Hello. Yeah, I like the color of this. This is definitely not an extra small. This is more of like maybe even a medium. If you're interested in anything that I am showing in this video, I will have measurements to provide you guys with measurements. Another pink Victoria's Secret sweatshirt. This is size large. This is, yeah, it is kind of sweatshirt material, but it's like lightweight. So it looks like this. And it's got like tie-dye right there, like on the sides and the sleeves. I think it looks cool. This looks small for a large. Victoria's Secret, just get your sizing right, because it's really frustrating. Like, it really is. This is not a large at all. Again, I'll provide measurements. And it's kind of cropped too. It's not very long. We have another pink Victoria's Secret sweatshirt. This is size small. This one's cute. Looks like this. So this shirt, this is actually my second time purchasing this shirt. I saw this in her closet and I was like, I gotta get it because I just recently sold this shirt and I really liked it. I wanted to keep it for myself. So I saw it in this girl's closet and I was already bundling things and I'm like, I need that shirt too. So it's just this pink Victoria's Secret tie-dye shirt, long sleeve shirt. The one that I sold was an extra small and I liked the way that it fit on me, like it was a little big. This one is a small, so it's gonna be like even bigger. Again, this is not a small. This is not. I need to make like a video addressing Victoria's Secret and being like, hey, smarten the fuck up. Like, get your sizes accordingly across the board. I don't know. I like this shirt. I just thought it was cute and it was in her closet and I'm like, I'm snatching it up for myself. So no, this one's not for sale. It's for me. Okay? Okay. Nike hoodie. This is really cute. This is a cropped hoodie. It's like a light peachy color and then the Nike logo is silver and gold. Silver and gold, silver and gold. Another pink Victoria's Secret. This is a like quarter, not a zip, it buttons. It doesn't zip, it buttons. This is size small. It's like a dark gray color. Oh. Looks like that, and then it says pink on the arm. Okay, next I have some Levi's 711 skinny jeans. Sold a couple pairs of these jeans and I really like them. I wish they were my size because I would totally wear them. But they are size 28 and the length is 30 inches. But they look like this. Super cute. I love the distressing and I love the raw hem. I'm really into raw hem jeans right now. So yeah, they're too big for me. If they fit me, I would keep them. But these are really, really nice jeans. Like I said, I've sold a couple of the 711 skinny jeans before and they usually go fast. So that pair will probably go fast. So if you're interested, check my closet. A tank top, pink Victoria's Secret, size small. This is cute. This is really cute for summertime. It's a really lightweight, like ombre green tank top. like racer back, very very sheer, so this would be good for like a little cover up, like to wear like your bathing suit underneath or something. You know, if we ever get to enjoy summer, if that ever happens, if you can go to the beach. I know people in Florida are like living it up. They're like, oh, everyone's at the beach now. They opened up the beaches. It's like shit's still on lockdown here in Maine because we're smart, because shit isn't getting better yet. Anyway, pink Victoria's Secret, these are 10, so they're a little bit of a bigger size, but these are cute. These are cute, distressed, and that's what the back looks like. Some more Levi's 501 distressed shorts. In my previous haul video, I showed you guys a pair, and I was like, I can't find the size. Well, the size tag was on them. They are a size 27. These ones are size 29, and these are pretty similar. They just don't have as much distressing as the other ones. But they're really cute. I love me a pair of 501 shorts, cut off short. This is super cute. This is Victoria's Secret Sport. This is a size small, and this is just a crop sweatshirt. I have the matching joggers, but they're upstairs. But yeah, the matching joggers are just like this dark gray color, and it has like the band on the waist. I'll show you a picture, but the band on the waist looks like this. Yeah, this is the shirt that matches it. Super cute. I am lighting. Why am I so washed out? I am selling them separate right now, but if you want to bundle them, I will give you a deal because they like definitely go together. But yeah, super cute. So this is a small, and the joggers are size medium. Pink Victoria's Secret, size small. This is cute. This little t-shirt with like the mesh in the front, and it says, drop shit. It says Vegas pink. And then on the back it just says Las Vegas. Really cute and bright and fun for summer. I just thought this shirt was cute, and this looks like a very old Victoria's Secret tag, so I don't know if this is like vintage Victoria's Secret. I don't know, but it's a size small, and it's just a rainbow like thermal. This is probably like a sleep shirt, but I don't know, I just thought it was cute. I have a pink Victoria's Secret hoodie, size extra small. This one's cute. It's gray with like the florally Hawaiian print in the logo. This one is really cute. This is a size extra small. This is a crop sweatshirt. It has like intentional like bleaching done to it. You can see it's purple, but like it has like pink bleach spots. It's really cool looking. And again, it's cropped. It's got like lace up detail right here, and then the little puppers on the front. All right, another pink Victoria's Secret sweatshirt. This is a size medium. This one's really cute. It's white. It says pink right here, and then on the arm there's like a rainbow pink logo thing, and then the hood on the back looks like this, and the hood is like a windbreaker material. It's very similar to the one that I showed in a previous video. It has like the windbreaker material on the hood. Next we have a long sleeve shirt, pink Victoria's Secret, size medium. This is cute. There's pink on the back. Okay, this is size medium, also pink Victoria's Secret. This is just like a lightweight long sleeve shirt. It has mesh right here, which is really cute. And then it says pink right there. This is kind of cropped, I would say. This is pink Victoria's Secret, size small, another long sleeve shirt, but this is really cute. It has camo up here, and then all along the front, these are like little like rhinestones. I don't know, I thought this shirt was super cool. And then on the back is just black like that, but I like the camo and the rhinestones. I don't know, I just like that little combination. The last shirt is pink Victoria's Secret, or no, this is just Victoria's Secret. This is size medium. It just says Victoria's Secret on it. It's a really pretty pink color. This is very long. It does have a stain on it. This is actually from the bundle that I purchased. This is my third purchase from this person. First bundle was fine. The second bundle had a bunch of damaged things, and then I gave her a second chance and ordered a third bundle, and before she shipped it, she's like, oh, I was looking over stuff and there was a stain on it. So this was the item she's talking about. It's really not that noticeable, so you know, yeah. So that is it for my haul. If you guys want to purchase anything that you see in this video, you can check out my Poshmark closet. I'll have a link down below. I'm gonna have a lot more of these videos coming soon because I don't know, I just think they're cool and you guys can see what I'm sourcing. I'm gonna have a bunch of unboxing videos coming soon because I ordered a bunch of reseller boxes. Look for those soon. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.